Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at problem 44 from section 1.6 of College Algebra by OpenStax. And for our problem, we need to simplify the rational expression. All right, so let's rewrite it. We've got x divided by 4 minus p divided by 8 all divided by p. Okay, so we can rewrite using division. So we're going to have x divided by 4 minus p divided by 8, all of that divided by p. So let's rewrite using division. Okay. Now we can rewrite this using multiplication because we can multiply by the reciprocal of p. So we have x divided by 4 minus p divided by 8 times 1 over p. So rewrite using multiplication. Okay, now we can multiply through by the p, so we're going to distribute. We need to multiply both terms. So we have x over 4p minus p over 8p. Okay, so we can write distribute. Now we can cancel a p in the second term because we have one in the numerator and the denominator. So we have x over 4p minus 1 over 8. And so we can just say simplify. And that is the answer. That's our final answer for that problem. I hope this helped you and that you learned a lot and that you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one.